it down, man. Shit. Early in the motherfucking morning.
It's like 7.
Put it down. It's 10 o'clock, man. That's early for us. We got fucked up last night. Did the full with Webbie last night, so we don't know when to do another show with the weekend. So, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. It's your boy QUAWN Baby, IVM all fucking day. You know what I'm saying? Antoine Smoke at Gmail. Hit him up. He's a good fucking beach nigga.
Hey, right now we finna go pick up Webbie and shit, man. That's what we do.
What up, fool?
What up, what up?
Cool.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Young
shit.
Savage.
Webbie trill here to Young Savage early in the morning. Already started, nigga.
Where you headed, Webbie? Where you headed, baby?
Shit, I don't know.
Jacksonville.
Let's get some money for a motherfucking show. I don't sleep, man. My nigga Rambo tripping, man. He say we might have to fuck over the fan. You heard me? That's what I do. You heard me? My manager tripping, man. I don't know what's wrong. I told him if it go down, it go down. Fuck it, nigga. We don't need no concert. You heard me? We'll just sit in jail. Fuck it, nigga. What time I'm leaving, son?
Hey, man. I think it's time to leave, dog. Yeah. Straight up. Hey, QUAWN, you ready, man? Let's go. Shit, fuck this shit, nigga. We gotta go get it.
So I need to get out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I need to go somewhere where I can be me.
Hey, welcome. Here they go. Hey, what's up, man? This will be on YouTube.
What's up, baby? I'm touched with security right here. Front line Webbie, baby. Right behind the building. We hold it down and win. For real.
Ain't no fuck, man. I know this one with me. You know what I'm saying?
That's my boy Prince right there. Like, you know what I'm saying?
We finally made it to this motherfucker. It's packing the bitch, man. See man right there. It's packing. It's going down tonight, man. I get him on the
Look at that.
She pregnant, bro. That shit crazy.
Look, they don't got no sense. Look at it.
Say something for the camera. They tell us she on IVM TV. Yeah, how you let this motherfucker in here? Lights, stay lights.
Y'all got some of the motherfucking best weed out right now.
Straight up, you know what I'm saying? We
I'm so motherfucking high.
You see what y'all?
Hey, I'm so motherfucking high. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all know who I see. Hey, hey. Y'all know who I see. Hey, hey. Y'all know who I see. Hey, hey. Say it, say it. Y'all know who I see. QUAWN baby. Y'all know who I see. QUAWN baby. Y'all know who I see. Hey, hey. Yeah, it's me. Y'all know who I see.
Everybody got all the little bullshit going on.
11 months pregnant. 13 months pregnant.
She made it, my nigga.
Got him up?
She made it, man.
What's going on? Day after, we on our way back home, and I'm tired. Got to fly out to Little Rock in the morning to be with Yo Gotti, Jake. Who else, man? I was saying gonna be on that joint. Jeremiah player to P. I see Saturday at 12 in Little Rock. Oh, by the way, the show was off the chain last night. We put the little old town Jackson and Lance and Mitchell, smoked them, got down. Man, you'll see. You'll see. We'll do this. Get out of Milwaukee. Just tell you, got to get on the road sometime.